Hello everyone, I am P. Venkat of Narsapur, BVRIT College. I am here to discuss the concept of loop, which is a very important topic in any language, mainly in C language. Loops are used to write a different write a code which is repeated again and again. Loops allow repeated execution of a block of code as long as the given condition is satisfied. Now, since loops are important, they are the key for efficient programming. And now, learning loops helps us save time, boost flexibility, and increase the power dynamic in workflow of the programming. Now, the loops can be divided into two types: pre-test loop and post-test loop. Pre-test loop, the loops which check the condition before the variable or before the given data type enters into the given block of statements. There are two different loops in pre-test loops. Those are for loop and while loop. Now, execution executes repeatedly while the given condition is true. Both the while loop and for loop are similar except for the syntax. While loop has three lines syntax minimum, whereas for loop all the initialization, condition and updation come in a single line. Uh, Ideal when the number of iterations are unknown beforehand. Common in scenarios like reading input until a condition is met. Useful for menu-driven programs. Now this is the syntax. Syntax will I will explain syntax again in the last of the video. Now while loop it repeats again and again till the given condition is satisfied. Now do while loop. Do while loop comes under the post-test group. Post-test loop set. This is similar to while loop, but the condition is tested after it runs the block of programs one time. There is a guarantee that this block of program will run at least one time. Execute the program body first, then checks the condition afterwards. So first time it runs the code and after that it checks the program. Syntax: do, given block statements, and while condition. Ensures loop runs at least one regardless of the initial condition. As I explained before, it checks the condition after the loop is completed once. Now, ideal for scenarios needing action at least one time. Now let's move forward. Nested loops. Nested loop is not a different type of loop, but it is used for the internal looping. Internal looping. Nested loop consists of the same loop again and again inside it, so it's not different from others. Now, what are the reasons we need to master loops for? Looping enables efficient repetition. It increases efficiency. It increases the thought clarity uh, and is useful in varied scenarios. It helps build a foundation for reliable algorithms and also developing loop skills prepares you for advanced preparation of concept. Now, here are the syntaxes of the different loops. For loop, the as I told, initialization, condition, updation come in a single line, and this is the block where the code is run. Now, while. Before while, initialization comes here. The first step is initialization, while condition, and in this code to be executed, the given variable is also updated. Now, do while. This while is just for comparison. The actual do while loop starts from here. Here comes initialization. Here comes the initialization, do while, condition. This for it gave here for is not there and condition is also not there. Now here the loop is executed. After the loop is executed, it checks the condition. This is known as pre-test, sorry, post-test loop. Now nested. First, there are two loops in a nested loop. Minimum two loops. The first one is outer loop. Second one is internal loop. Now both of these are done and satisfied. Now that's it for now that is it for loops. Thank you all.